In this video, you will learn an interesting fact about 6174. Consider any 4-digit number with at least 2 different digits. Arrange the digits in descending and ascending order. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Repeat this process. You will always reach 6174. For example, consider 5111. Arranging the digits in descending order gives 5111 and in ascending order gives 1115. Subtracting them, we get 3996. Now arranging the digits in descending order gives 9963 and in ascending order gives 3699. Subtracting them, we get 6264. If you continue this process, you will reach 6174 in the fourth step. Once you reach 6174, repeating the process always gives 6174. Now we'll see another example. Consider 3451. Arranging the digits in descending order gives 5431 and in ascending order gives 1345. Subtracting them, we get 4086. Arranging the digits in descending order gives 8640 and in ascending order gives 468. Subtracting them, we get 8172. If you continue this process, you will reach 6174 in the seventh step.